Hi, my name is Gerhard Schwantner. Welcome to Selling Power TV. Today, we have a surprise for you. We have Anthony Iannarino in the house with a new book.
This is the book. It is The Negativity Fast. It is the first book that is not about sales or sales management. But I will tell you, if you are in the sales game like I am and like Gerhard has been in for a very long time, you get things called rejection or we've went another direction and all of these things that could cause you to be negative. But we don't want you to be negative. We want you to be positive. So what we want you to do is to go on a negativity fast. So what should you do to go on a negativity fast? The first thing that you should do is turn the TV off. If you have the news on, you're going to be eating fear, like the fear that the news gives you. You just keep eating it in, and guess what? Pretty soon, it's all up in here, and all of a sudden, you're negative because it's all negative. You know how you have some people who are just super negative in your life? You got to start getting some distance from those folks. And I need you to know something about complaining. If you are a chronic, constant complainer, your hippocampus in your brain that's responsible for thinking logically will start to shrink. If you really, really want the superpower of being positive, I will tell you it right now, and I'll give you a way to do this just like this, super easy. You don't even have to worry about this. I'll give this to you so fast. Gratitude. Okay, so let me tell you about gratitude. Better cognitive function, better immune system, less chance of having a heart attack, less anxiety, less stress, less depression. When you see the list of all the things that gratitude does, you look at it and you go like, that's just too many things. They can't do everything. I mean, it's a superpower. And until you know that the complaining is a problem and that gratitude is the better way to think about these things, I will make sure that you can do this right now. So here's what you can do. So at the end of your day, you write down 3 things that went well for you today and why they went well for you. What you do is you write down, this went well for me today because Gerhard is a great host. He always has great questions. He's very engaged. He's a very interesting person and he's interested in everything. And so I love doing this with him. So I'm going to write something like that down. And then I'm going to write down, I had a good conversation with one of my clients today. We decided we're going to do something bigger together. And you write down 3 things. About a month after you do this every night, you're going to start looking back and go, every single day, good things happen to me. It's crazy. Like every day, there's all these good things that are happening to me. And that gets rid of your negativity bias because you're looking at all of the good things instead of all the bad things that happen to us. So all you have to do is write those down and then start stacking them up and start looking and say, my life is really good. If you need help, and of course you do, you pick up this book, The Negativity Fast, and guess what? If you buy it between today and January 31st at Amazon or Barnes & Noble, it's half off. Try to get rid of all of the negativity that you can, because the more that you do, the better your life is going to be. I promise you.
So final question. You also have a reading group where you have salespeople that read the book, go online with you. Tell me how that works.
Okay, so the book club is called the One Up Book Club. And I know that salespeople like to read books on sales and they like to look at personal development. But the books that I'm giving them, Gerhard, are books that are so insight rich that they're going to have a perspective that they can share with their clients. They can have insights and information that other people don't know and that they're not paying attention to. So we're reading a set of books that would help any salesperson or sales manager who has to have a conversation with clients to have something really interesting to say that changes how people look at you. They want you to be the person that knows the things that they don't know. So that's what I'm actually feeding these people, is the things that other people don't know.
You're not only helping salespeople with their mindset and skill set, but you help them also to think about the world at large and macroeconomics, so people can understand the larger trends that impact their lives in 2024 and beyond.